All right, top news coming in at this bulletin from Andhra Pradesh. We are told that Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister vows to protect the Waqf properties. This is big news, remember, because this is Chandrababu Naidu saying will always support the Muslim community. Naidu attending one of the iftar events as we are heading to the end of the Ramzan month. He's vowing support to them. He's saying that at the Ramzan iftar celebrations, we will protect Waqf properties. Now remember, he is an NDA ally. For Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister to take a stand which is fairly different from what the government of the centre has been saying about Waqf's arbitrary powers, sweeping powers that is leading to land grab charges, specifically in fact in southern states. But Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister clearly looking at his state structure right now and the state groups amid applause says this.
అదే మారుగా జీవో నెంబర్ 43 తీసుకొచ్చి వక్ఫ్ బోర్డుని లేనిపోని కాంట్రవర్సీలో పడేసే పరిస్థితికి వచ్చారు. దానివల్ల కోర్టు పోయి అసలు వక్ఫ్ బోర్డే పనిచేయకుండా ఉండే పరిస్థితి వస్తే ఈ ప్రభుత్వం వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఆ జీవోను రద్దు చేసి మళ్ళీ అందరితో వక్ఫ్ బోర్డు కాన్స్టిట్యూట్ చేశాం. ఆస్తులు కాపాడతాం. ఒకటే హామీ ఇస్తున్నా, మత సామరస్యాన్ని కాపాడమే కాకుండా మిమ్మల్ని అన్ని విధాల పైకి తీసుకొచ్చే బాధ్యత తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీ తీసుకుంటామని కూడా మీ అందరికీ హామీ ఇస్తున్నాను.
My colleague Apurva Jayachandran joining me for the latest on that. Apurva, this is a very interesting comment, isn't it? Because this comes amid what the centre is saying is slightly different.
Well, definitely, Pooja. In fact, remember Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu, since the NDA had come into power here in Andhra Pradesh last year, he had talked about how the recent GEO, the past GEO that had been introduced, GEO number 43 that he's talking about, that had been dissolved. That was a GEO introduced by the YSRCP, government, then former government of Andhra Pradesh. And he says that there had been several discrepancies, relating to that bill that had been passed and that the NDA government, after it came into power, it had dissolved that bill there, and that the Andhra Pradesh government now constituting a new Waqf board with a list of new set of members there. And same on those lines today as well, you see how at the iftar party there Chief Minister Naidu is going on and giving an assurance to the Muslim community there, not only saying that he will protect the Waqf properties, but he's also going on and stating that the Telugu Desam party, for which he is the chief, Telugu Desam party will always be a party that will protect the rights and the
said this
wishes
ever
of the
before
minorities
in the past few days of the controversy, or can we say this is possibly the first time that Chandrababu Naidu officially on the stage, knowing he's on camera, saying he will protect all the Waqf properties and will support the Muslim community?
This is not the first time that Mr. Naidu has gone ahead and given assurance to the Muslim community there. In fact, earlier on as well, when the Waqf board controversy had picked up pace a couple of months back as well, Mr. Naidu had always said that protecting the Muslim community, protecting our Muslim brothers and sisters, that's going to be always a priority for the Telugu Desam led party here, especially in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and that is going to be an amalgamation of all religions, people of all religions living together in a well-organized and a well-communal manner as well. And that's the same that Mr. Naidu has always been practicing. And this statement there yesterday that was made at the iftar party reiterates his statement there, wherein he says we will protect not only Waqf properties, but we'll also ensure that there is upliftment and overall development for the community as well.
Keep tracking all the latest on this, Apurva, because it's going to get very interesting. In many ways, the Chief Minister is looking at their local vote bank, their state structure right now, their support, and could take a different view even if they are an NDA ally. We'll be tracking that. Thank you, Apurva, for now.